happy leaders like J.R.D. Tata. You remember J.R.D. Tata? All of us? Till today, people who worked with him remember him so fondly. He says, oh wow, that man was something. Right from his secretaries to his CEOs to his vice presidents. I've met some people who have worked with him. And he said, you're such an amazing man. So kind, so thoughtful, so people oriented. So my thought for you today is ask yourself, can I be a happy leader? I tell all salespeople, when I do my sales training programs, I spend almost 2 hours in a 3-day program on just training them to smile. And the HR person says, Manoj, एक acting class hai kya? I said, boss, salespeople have to be good actors, whether you like it or not. And part of their one expression they need to hold as an actor, as a sales actor, is the smile. You go and meet somebody, good morning, sir, I'm from Synechron. Good morning, sir, I'm from Synechron. Total different message. Especially now you're growing. Bigger companies, their salespeople get arrogant. The owner is humble. We want to achieve $1 billion. The sales manager, we want to achieve $1 billion. Better get it, okay? The down the line guys become arrogant, that we are becoming big now. You know how small companies become big? Because the big companies become arrogant. And who becomes actually arrogant? Some of their front end people start talking differently. If you see a lot of case studies of IT companies who grew, they grew because the small guys made presentations which are full of passion and energy and humility. And the guys said, let's work with these guys. Yeah, these guys are too arrogant. This is reality. Yeah? This is not some fluff. It's so important to be humble, so important to smile more. Even if you don't get business, say it was a pleasure talking to you, sir. We'll keep in touch. It doesn't take much to smile all the time. Even in your personal life, for God's sake, smile more at your own wife. Most wives complain. But her husband बहुत serious है. Then they'll put it on the company. बहुत काम करना पड़ता है ना Synechron में. You don't know, baby, work pressure itna high hai. I am only handling it. Whether it's Synechron, some organization, wherever they work. I am saying, when I'm talking about happy leadership, it's just not about being a happy leader in the office. I'm talking about happy leadership at home also. When you go home, you're a leader at home. Most men, most women, all of us are leaders in our own way. When we go home, can we smile at our own spouse or mouse, depending on what you have? Doesn't matter. My request to you is, from today, become a happy leader. And what is a happy leader? Anybody? You should want your people to be happy. In India, I've been talking about happy leadership for the last 10 years. I'm a thought leader on this. I have been asking a lot of leaders, what is your honest reaction when you see a happy employee who's smiling a lot, laughing a lot? Many of them have confessed, 70% have confessed, I don't like it. I feel either he's got another job or I feel he's not working well. I tell my juniors, watch rakho, ye kaam nahi kar raha isko, bahut haste rehta hai. We have this weird mentality. How can a guy be laughing and smiling in my office? वो भी मैं boss साला. It's a very weird negative mentality. वो निकलना चाहिए. That should go. We should want our employees to be happy. We should want our employees to be smiling. Just not lip service. Okay, I want you to be happy. If you see somebody serious, go and say, "Bhai, everything fine? Constipated? Kya problem hai?" They should give you a good reason for not looking happy. Especially in your organization. What an organization. What a building you all have made and what a structure and so bright and so nice. I've got a very good feel, good energy. You got a lovely gym. Of course, I saw very few people in the gym. I think the guys who maintain the gym have better physiques. But I'm saying, can we really commit ourselves to happy leadership? But now let me tell you, we talk about happy leaders, but when will you become happy leaders? Most of us? Beautiful. When you're contented with what you're doing. Good answer. What's your name? Aisha. Very good. I like that answer. Give her a big hand. When you are contented with what you're doing, you will be happy, right? Extremely good answer. Think about it, my friends. We can't be happy, we can't make others happy till we are happy ourselves. Many of us take happiness for granted, or we don't focus on happiness. We are just focused on making more and more money. Think about it. When we started off, we say, yaar, 50,000 ki naukri mil gayi na, we are set, yaar. When you start our careers, 40, 50,000, depending which institute you are from. Then you get 50,000, you say, 50 mein kya hota hai, lakh to milna chahiye. Then you hit a lakh, you say, yes, 30% to tax mein jata hai, haath mein kya aata hai? नहीं यार 2 लाख तो मिलना चाहिए, package should be good. And all through this process of growing, what I see is people think they'll be happy tomorrow. That when I hit the 10 lakh mark na monthly, then I'll be happy. But I'm telling you, I coach a lot of senior people. Money has no relevance to happiness. I see guys earning 25 lakhs a month plus stock options and saying, Manoj, Maybach kitni महंगी हो गई यार? Out of reach? I think I'll go for the S class. That's within my reach. वो भी गरीबी है. It's his mentality. I'm saying enjoy the journey. There is no harm in wanting to achieve more. You should want to earn more. But don't let that make you lose your sense of happiness. It's very, very important. My question to you now, a very honest question. I hope you give me an honest answer. Are you all truly happy? How many of you are truly happy? Raise your hands. Even the married ones. Because some people say, I'm married, why are you asking me? Yes, I can see a lot of hands. But I can see a lot of people not raising their hand also. Just think about it, my friends. Now research is showing motivation is linked to happiness. If you're happy, you'll be more motivated. How many of you are happy to go to office on Monday morning? Honestly, bolna. Most people say, Monday morning, yaar, ye Monday kyun aata hai itna jaldi? Most normal people, okay? And successful people are those who are looking forward to their Monday morning. They enjoy their weekends. And I always say, it's what you do from Monday to Friday which lets you enjoy the weekend, aram se. It gives you the luxuries. If you don't work hard from Monday to Friday, will you afford a bigger house? Will you afford holidays abroad? So all that you get in life is because from Monday to Friday. So make Monday to Friday happy, na? People live for Friday evening. Friday evening नहीं आ रहा यार. Time ही नहीं जा रहा आजकल यार, क्या हो रहा है? They hit Monday morning and then they say 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 days. Thursday आ गया, Friday. They wait for Friday evening. So 5 days they're living in stress and they hope weekends are happy. That also I see in India, many people are not happy on weekends also. Their idea of happy is drinking. Tapa-tap. Completely sloshed. And they justified, so much stress, no yaar. Dal aur ek pek dal yaar. Just drinking, they start drinking Friday evening, 9 o'clock till 2 in the morning. Slosh, get up at 1 o'clock, do this on Saturday night also. Then say, weekend kahan nikal jata hai yaar? You're drinking and sleeping half the time. There are, a lot of people think, I always say, I am a Parsi. We are very spiritual people. We love our drinks. See, I always say you're closest to spirituality when you're drinking because you're humble, you're kind, you're laughing. Even serious people start. Have you observed? After a few drinks, people get happy. And I always say, why? Why do you drink? You need to drink to be happy. You could be happy with life. Life is so beautiful. The problem is our conditioning. I have gone deep into this. When I was writing my book, I interviewed a lot of people. We are conditioned not to be happy. Think about it. Right from childhood, if our parents see us very happy, they say, क्या उछल रहा है इतना? हाँ? ही हू? हाँ? पढ़ाई करो. मस्ती करता है? Especially fathers. They come from, if you're playing down and they'll see you playing down, they'll say, क्या कर रहे हो? चलो ऊपर चलो, पढ़ो चलो. मेरे जैसा बनना है? चलो ऊपर पढ़ो. You know why children like mothers more? Because what is the first question a mother asks when he comes back home from work? When she sees him playing down. Beta kuch khaya? And father says, पढ़ पहले. And the child says, nowadays children are very common. मम्मी कहाँ से पकड़ के लाया उसको? सही बोलती है मम्मी, बहुत अपने अंकल ही अच्छे हैं. Anyway, we try to run a family like also a process. Everything should be sorted. It should be more. A guy should be studying hard. We forget humanness. We forget to smile at our own family. We are nicer to other people, neighbors. When we go into our own house, are we happy? And are we creating happiness? We are not, many of us are not, because we are not conditioned for that. Because right from childhood, in the 10th standard, your father told you, beta padh le. In fact, this is a big happiness scam what I'm sharing with you. But it's a big scam. You know what's the happiness scam? Any guesses? अभी पढ़ लो, बाद में मजा करो. 10th पढ़ ले बेटा, फिर 11th में जाके मजा करना. Then you come to 12th, बेटा 12th पढ़ ले, मेहनत कर ले, once you go to college मजा करना, कौन रोकेगा तुझे? Then you finish your college in final year, बेटा MBA करना है, start preparing for MBA, you want to get into a good institute ना? Once you get into a good institute, फिर मजा करना. Be happy then. Then you get into a good institute, the director will come and say, welcome to this fantastic institute, welcome to this AICTE approved institute. We are one of the best in the country. Give me 2 years of yours. Once you get a job, फिर मजा करो. So then they get a job. They say, now we'll have a good time. Then the boss will come and say, welcome to this fantastic company. We are paying you a bomb. Now you work like a bomb. But don't worry. First 5 years, we all worked hard. Once you become manager, फिर मजा करो ना. Then you become manager. The boss will come and say, now you're manager. Don't mess around. This is your chance. Okay? You want to become VP? No? Fatafat. And nowadays youngsters want to become VP tomorrow, not even day after. Like, kal, sir, aaj to ho gaya. Kal VP. Says, you work few years more hard, I'll make you VP. I am there, don't worry. So the guy works another few years hard, becomes VP. Then he says, now boss, you're vice president, don't mess it up. This is your chance. You want to become global head, CEO, something, no? Another 5 years, give me. Work hard. And work very hard, because this whole vertical depends on you. I don't care you become horizontal. But you take care of my vertical. Make it profitable. Once you're there, then you see where you go. Then he, God willing, becomes CEO. Then the company will come and tell him, boss, now you're CEO. Don't mess it up. Thousands of people rely on you. Bankers, everything. So don't mess it up now. Work hard another 5-10 years. If you survive, we'll buy your golf membership. Then play golf na. Retire and play golf. Travel the world. So that fellow is waiting for his retirement. Then he retires. He's sitting at home. Wife says, "Arey kuch karo, kuch leke aao. घर पे बैठे रहते हो." He misses his secretary के घर ऑफिस में ज़्यादा इज्जत मिलती थी मेरे को. Starts feeling bad about himself. And then he wants to be happy, so he starts looking for Asta channel. Then the first channel, Ramdev Baba will come. कि बेटा योगा से ही होगा, योगा से ही होगा. वो बोलता है बैग गया, योगा भी नहीं होगा अभी, too late. Then a bigger Baba will come. हरि ओम बेटा, you जिंदगी में तो खुश नहीं है, don't worry, मर जाओ, next life you'll be happy. It's the biggest scam from childhood till death. People are telling you be happy tomorrow, to the extent next life. They're preparing you for next life. It's the biggest scam. My friends, my request to you is, the biggest learning I want you to take away from today when you go out of this room is, learn to be happy consciously. Make an effort to be happy. And don't feel guilty about it.